Yeah, so you want to tape your violin, but you're going to use a tuner so that you can know what specific point to place your tape. So this is like a G major framework. Yeah. When you're learning other keys, this is not going to be like the exact pattern. But for now, because you're going to be playing the G major scale, so you want to place your, this is where A is, this is E, this is C. Open D, E, F sharp, G. When we learn two octave, you know that this is A string, you have your B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. That's the second octave. So this is where we're going to stop.
Okay.
So you want to tape it. This is like, so you just use it, scissors, tape, cut the.
Can you please again?
All right, okay. It's something like this. But you're going to use your tuner. So for example, you open your tuner, like, let me see. You have your tuner like this, and then check. So you're going to check. Can you see my tuner?
Yeah, I can see.
So you check where the notes are. After you've tuned, you ensure your violin is first in tune. Yeah, very much in tune first. So you tune your violin first. But your violin should be in tune, isn't it?
Yes. But you know, as time, I think as time goes on, weather factors.
You try to. I don't know if you can see. Let me see.
Like, I mean, when you tune your violin once, like maybe like some days after, it will. I don't know.
Yeah. Definitely, the weather condition affects when you carry it about. So before you play, you check.
Okay. Before you play, I mean.
Okay. Every time before you play, check if it's tuned. Sometimes
No problem.
it's tuned or slightly distuned. So
Okay.
you can see my tuner, right?
Yeah, I can see very well.
Yeah, so you're going to check. So after tuning your violin, A, D, G. So then you now check. Okay, where is A? Place your first finger.
Yeah.
That point. So you know that's where you're going to put the tape. Yeah, so that when you play A, you know that's A. Then you're going to check B. So slightly at this point. So that's why you're going to put your tape. So you just put your tape, cut it, and then slide it under the finger. So we're just going to slide it like that. We need the strings. Then tape it. You get.
All right. Okay.
That's the way to do it. So that when you play the right notes. For most of the tunes we're going to be playing,